If you experience any problems you cannot easily resolve, please feel free to contact our knowledgeable and helpful customer service department toll-free at 1-800-225-5891. When you first open the box, you'll find the following parts: one left side frame, one right side frame, one handle with grip, two support brackets, one basket, one crank handle, two wheels, four reel rods, and one hose. Also included in the parts box would be two M12 by 95mm hex head bolts, 16 M8 by 35mm hex head bolts, two M6 by 30mm hex head bolts, 25 M8 hex nuts, two M12 Nylock nuts, and one M8 Nylock nut. The tools required for assembly include two 13mm wrenches, one 10mm wrench, and two adjustable wrenches. A combination of these wrenches, along with sockets and a cordless drill, will expedite the assembly process. Step 1. Attach 4 hose reel rods to the left side of the hose reel end with the belt feature using 4 M8 hex nuts. Step number 2, attach the left side frame to the right side frame using 4 M8 hex nuts and tighten. Step number 3, attach support brackets to the left side frame using 2 M8 by 35mm bolt sets. Repeat for the right side. Step number 4, attach the wheels to the frame using 2 M12 by 95mm bolts and 2 M12 Nylock nuts. Step number 5. Attach the storage basket to the frame using 2 M8 by 32mm HH bolts and 2 M8 Nylock nuts. Step 6. Attach the handle to the frame using 2 M8 by 35mm HH bolts and 2 M8 Nylock nuts. Step 7. Attach the coupler to the right side hose reel end. In some kits, this step will already be completed. Step number 8. Attach the handle crank using a hex bolt flat washer and the spring. Step 9. Attach the hose lead. Step 10. To tighten the belt, adjust the hose reel using the adjustment bolts. Make sure both sides are adjusted evenly. Plumber's tape may be used on the pipe threads to prevent leaking. And that completes the assembly of the Milwaukee hose reel cart.